Hi, it's Celeste, your canary in the coal mine. Today I wanted to talk about something I've mentioned on other videos but haven't explained in detail. It's called AGEs, Advanced Glycation End Products. These are what happens to proteins when they're heated. You've seen common examples of this and you never knew what was going on. This is an egg, right? But when it was raw, this white part was runny. The white part is the protein part of the egg. And once I heated it, boiled it in hot water, this is what happened to it, is it gets stiff and hard and not flexible. It turns out that's not a great thing to happen in the body, to have the proteins turn stiff and hard and not flexible, because it affects the cell membranes and how they can take nutrients and dispel waste through the cell membranes. So you really don't want that to happen in the body, which is why some people prefer to eat as much food as they can raw rather than cooked. And even if you eat the food raw, if it has, once it kind of goes up to body temperature and stuff like that, it can also turn into those kinds of products. And you'll probably hear in advertising about the Advanced Glycation End Products age us, So that's what they're talking about. The difference between a raw, runny white of the egg and the cooked white of the egg is what happens in the body that isn't a good thing. So that's all I wanted to tell you about today. It's one of the byproducts of taking in excess proteins in your diet, is that you get more of those hard, stiff protein, altered protein products in your body, and that's not good. That's another reason why it's just not good to eat more protein than your body really needs. Now, if you're a weightlifter and you're building muscle, great, have more protein, but the average couch potato or the person with the desk job doesn't need a whole bunch of protein. I've said on another video that a 150-pound person only needs about 45 grams of protein per day, which would be like one 6-ounce piece of salmon, and a 190-pound person needs 56 grams of protein, which would be like one 7-ounce steak. So you don't need to be eating that much at each meal, and you certainly don't need to be eating a 16-ounce steak, no matter what your taste buds say. That's not good for your health. So that's what I wanted to tell you about today, and I hope that this is another great tip that'll help you get well and stay well. Thanks.